Welcome to the Saved Filters and Notifications tutorial. Today we will be learning about how you can set up a saved alert filter in order to quickly view a filtered view of alerts for a particular entity and how to subscribe to email notifications for those alerts. First, we will want to go to the Alerts route and then the Saved Filters and Notifications subroute. On this page, you will find a list of any saved filters for specific alerts that you have made, as well as any email notifications that are scheduled. A saved filter is like saving a bookmarked view of a particular alert for a fleet, group, site, or component, but is not going to send out an email. A notification goes one step further and will send emails whenever alerts open or close for the saved filter. The list on this page is visible to all users of an organization. Read-write users are able to edit or delete any filter or notification, while read-only users are only able to edit or delete filters that they created. To get started, we will need to configure a saved filter. Go to the upper right and click on the Add Filters and Notifications button. This will open a new screen where we first name the notification in the upper left by clicking the edit pencil icon and typing an identifiable name. Next, we will want to select what entity we want to see alerts for. You will see the familiar sidebar pane navigation and can either click the individual site or component, use a text search to find a site or component, or select a previously saved group or the fleet as a whole. In this example, I am interested in seeing all alerts for Site 11, and I will select Site 11 from within the sidebar pane. Next, we need to select what status of alerts we want to see. Only open alerts or open and closed alerts. Selecting only open alerts will result in a notification being sent only when a new alert occurs. You will not receive a notification for alerts closing. Selecting open and closed alerts will result in a notification being sent when a new alert opens and when an open alert closes. In this case, I want to see open and closed alerts and will select the lower option. Next, we need to select which priority of alerts we want included. In this case, I want to receive high and medium alerts and uncheck the low alerts option. Next is the selection for what type of alerts we want included. In this example, I want to see system disconnect alerts and will select only that option. Some customers find it useful to set up one saved filter for each type of alert. One for device faults, one for system disconnect, and one for zero generation, so you can keep the alert notifications organized by alert type on the notification list and in your inbox. But the choice is entirely yours. Moving to the right, we now have a choice to send email notifications for this filter. If this is unchecked and saved, you will have created a saved filter. If we leave the box checked, we will have created a notification. In this case, I want to set up an automatic email notification and will leave it checked. Next, we will need to enter the email address or multiple addresses where we want the email sent. In this example, I want to set up an email notification for myself and my coworker Bobby. The last step in the setup is configuring the maximum frequency of how often we want to be alerted if a new alert opens or closes. In this case, I only want a max of one email every hour. This means that every hour the platform will run a check to see if any alerts have opened or closed that match the criteria we configured. If nothing has changed, you will not receive an email. If a new alert has opened or closed, you will receive an email. Next, we finish the setup by clicking the Create button, and we have successfully created our first notification. We can now see this notification on the list. The list shows us the name of the notification, the user that created it, whether it is set up to send emails as indicated with a check mark, the max send frequency, and when the last email was sent. The alert icon to the left of the notification name will jump us to the alerts page with the saved filters of alert priority and type selected for that entity. In this case, clicking it will jump us to the alerts page for Site 11 with high and medium priority and system disconnect filtered, just like we set up. Lastly, clicking the trash icon will allow us to delete the notification. You would have to click the confirmation, "Are you sure you want to delete this?" Additionally, this process can be started from the alert table view, and the current state of the alert table will automatically be applied to the filter parameters. We hope that you enjoy the LocusNOC. If you have feedback you would like to provide, please see the help section of the portal. For any questions, please send an email to support@locusenergy.com.